Group 1, 2, and 3. I want you to do this. What is this?
Bees.
And group 2?
Bees.
And group 3?
Bees.
Disease. And again, so we have group 4. What is group 4? Where is group 4? Raise your hands. Good. So, and group 5 and group 6. Good. So where are you? Where are we going to find the bees? Which group? So, yeah. So please, the bees join. Here is your desk. Group 1 is here. Group 1 is here. A's. Group 2. The bees. And group 3 is here. Group 4. Done? Group 4. Where is group 4? A should be group 4. The B's should be group 5. The C's should be group 6. Are you the B or a C or an A? Let's check that there is no odd man out. Is there any different color in each group? No. So, in each group you're going to have the same text and the same color. So make sure that, I want you to make sure that you have A's there, and you have B's there, C's here, and A's, B's, and C's. Done?
Yes.
Good. I want you now, in your initial groups, what did you do, Zainab, in your initial, in the first group?
I read my initial group, I read the text C, and I answered these questions.
Good. And now, you are joining another group. And the members of this group have read the same text. What do you think you're going to do in this group? Saif, what do you think you're going to do now?
To discuss our answers and compare what we understand from.
Perfect. Good. I want you to become experts in each text now. I want you to discuss, tell each other the main idea. If there are some differences, discuss them. If you need more clarifications, ask each other. I'll give you 4 minutes to do this. So, have a go.